Okay, here's a simple wiki, and we created this web application using Django, and it's written mainly in Python. The wiki contains a series of entries and allows a user to navigate through those entries either on this index page using search or clicking random page. And it also allows users to create new pages and update existing. And I'll take you through all those features now. So the first feature being the ability to visit an entry page using the URL bar and going to wiki / an entry title takes the user directly to that entry page. If they attempt to go to a entry for a title that doesn't exist, they'll see an error message as such. Back on the index page, the user can also see a list of all the entries, and clicking on one of those from the list will take the user directly to that page. We can also use search to navigate our entries. Typing in an entry title exactly will take the user directly to that page. Or if the user types in a string that doesn't match an entry's title, they'll be taken to a list of search results containing entries that have that string within. All right, the next feature of this wiki is allowing a user to create a new page. So clicking here, the user will see a form where they can enter a title for the entry and then enter some text or content for the entry in Markdown. Saving the page will save that entry within the wiki. You can also see that saved here now in this list. The user attempts to create a new page that already exists, say for the one we just created again. They'll see an error and that page is not saved. However, if the user wants to update an existing entry, they can click here on Edit Entry and enter some new text and see that update saved to the entry. Okay, the last feature of this wiki is the ability for a user to navigate randomly through our list of entries by clicking Random Page. And you can see here they're taken to a new entry at random. All right, so that is a simple wiki created using Django and Python. Thanks.